Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, you will clearly understand how to learn anything fast. Always remember, a mind stretched by a new experience can never go back to its old dimensions. Your learning ability decides your earning capacity because learning has earning in it. If you learn faster, you will stand out from everyone else. If you earn faster, you can go from underpaid to overpaid. If you learn faster, you can have unfair advantage over others. The question is, how do you do that? We spend too much time on input. What do I mean by that? You go to seminars, attend workshops, read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, read blogs, etc. So inputs, and more inputs. Here, there is no problem with the learning. Then what's the problem? The problem is if you have too much of inputs with no output, what happens is shallow learning. That's not good. What we want is not shallow learning. For example, how many of you have an experience wherein your friends suggest you to read a book? Then you ask them, what did you learn from this book? When they aren't clear on that, they will just say, it's a good book. It's a good book. It's a very good book. You know. Then you again ask them, I understand what you are saying, but can you tell me what did you learn from this book? Again, there is no clarity from their side. They will just say, it's a must read book. What it means is they have read the book, but it was shallow learning because they don't know what to reflect and implement out of their learning. What's the point in learning something if you can't implement it and benefit from it? You cannot consider your learning as pure intellectual entertainment and nothing else. It's going to be the waste of time. We don't want shallow learning. What we want is deep learning. But how do you do that? What we want is deep learning. How do you do that? Deep learning has four steps. First, you learn something new, then you pause and see what you can take away from this learning. Implement your learning through actions. Share your knowledge and learnings with others. For true mastery, you need to focus more on the output than the inputs. This is so true when you learn something new. If you don't use it, if you don't output it, you will lose it. While learning something new, you should have 100% attention into it. Don't kill your momentum by getting distracted by multitasking approach. Stay away from distractions. Pay 100% attention into it. Do one at a time. The quality of your inputs determines the quality of your retention. Means how well and how long you can remember the information. It affects the quality of your recall. After you learn something new, you reflect it. Means what's the takeaway from that learning? How can I implement that new learning in myself, my work, and my family? How can I use this information in my own life? When you pause and reflect, ask these questions, then your learning gets solidified. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. The next step is to implement what you newly learned and reflected. Then the magic starts happening. I want you to right now think of a subject or skill that you just want to learn fast. You want to learn it rapidly at an accelerated rate. You want to learn it faster so you can achieve faster. Now I want you to remember four letters: F, A, S, T, fast. And the F stands for forget. What does it mean? You want to forget what you already know about the subject so that you can learn something brand new. Often people don't learn faster because they feel like their cup is full and they feel like they are already knowing. So always remember to start with the beginner's mind. I would also say forget about what's going on in the world and anything that's not urgent. You are using a fraction of your own potential if you get distracted. Also, forget about what you don't know. So forget about your limitations. Your learning is absolutely limitless. It doesn't depend on your education, age, etc. The letter A in FAST stands for active. What do you mean by active? Our schools trained us to be very passive. Your brain doesn't learn through consumptions. Your brain learns through creations. So you need to take notes and ask questions. There are so many things you can do to be more active. The letter S in FAST stands for state. What do you mean by state? State means your current mood of your mind and your body. Because here is the important point to improve on our brain memory. Information combined with emotion becomes a long-term memory. Now you understand why we don't remember much about what we were taught in schools or colleges, because in that learning emotions were missing. So you cannot store that learning in your brain for a long time. Remember, all learning is state dependent. So if you want to learn more, control your state. Can you tell me who is in control of your state? It's none other than you. You are the thermostat, not a thermometer. What do I mean by that? What's the nature of thermometer? The thermometer reacts to the environment and it reflects the environment. We are all thermometers in certain situations in our lives, but it affects our state, right? We react to the weather, we react to the economy, we react to how people treat us. But in reality, where is the locus of focus? Who has the control? You do, because you are the thermostat. A thermostat is different from thermometer. A thermostat sets a vision, it sets a goal, it sets a standard. What happens to the environment? The environment rises to meet the thermostat. And for you, you want to identify with the thermostat. The most important thing is you want to have a control over how you feel. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Opposite is also true. With great responsibility comes great power. Means when we take responsibility for something, we have great power to make it better. Our greatest responsibility is to control how we feel. How do you get into the state of curiosity or excitement? Who are the fastest learners on this planet? They are children. They have that wonder. Trade your cleverness for bewilderment. Finally, the letter T in FAST stands for teach. Always learn your subject or skills as if you are going to teach it to somebody else. Because when you are learning it to teach it, then you are going to pay attention differently. Then you are going to make it your own. Then you are going to remember it differently. When you teach something to somebody, you get to learn it twice. How do you learn fast? Let's summarize it. Use the technique of FAST, where F stands for forget, A stands for active, S stands for your state of mind and body, T stands for teach. Always remember, information combined with emotion creates a long-term memory in our brain. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.